Hello, my name is Ravindra Kumar. I am from Churu district, Rajasthan, and I have completed my graduation from Maharaja Ganga Singh University, Bikaner at 2022 with B.Sc Mathematics. And after then I searched the jobs. Then I know about the Evision. Evision is a private limited company that is provide knowledge about the hardware, software, and networking. What is networking and what is hardware? How to resolve the hardware issues, and how to install softwares and many operating system, Windows administrator, ITIL, and cybersecurity. How to install antivirus and etc. And Evision is conduct the more many interviews and many practice sessions that I increase my confidence, and I go to interviews for confidently. And he is created my CV for new CV and more on my confident, and he connect to me a MNC companies, and now I am working in Royal Enfield as a desktop support engineer in 2.64 lakh per annum. And thank you, Evision. And I telling about the Evision. Evision is the perfect platform for the beginners that are working in MNC companies, and he is make our career in IT industries and etc. So I am thanks to Evision, and thank you a lot.